Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, be sure to like and subscribe so you can follow along to see the chaos that's going on behind me. My buddies like to call me Rob Dirt, and this is Project Tahoe. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a lot of work ahead here. So this is tear down round 2. Gonna go back apart. I've already had the body off the frame a little bit. Found that I needed some pretty big lifting devices, so we have a store-bought version, the Harbor Freight deal, the spreader bar. Works pretty good. It's nice and adjustable. And then the homemade backwoods lifting tool. How you like that? So I think between these two we should be able to move the truck around enough to do what we need to do. We got pretty bad body mount area up front. So I've already removed the body mount. I've got the exhaust and the drive shaft out of the way. Should be some room to put some jack stands in there. So we'll get it squared up a little bit, maybe get it on the jack stands and get it off the plywood block up here. Looks like it's in there smashed pretty good. And get it off of that, get it on something a little more solid, and then I think I'm going to go ahead and start making some templates. Hopefully we can fix some of this. I might have to push up on this corner if I can. It crushed it a good bit last time I tried to set it down, so I have to figure that out. It's pretty rusty, it's pretty bad. So we'll see where it takes us. It's pretty ambitious goal to get that one done. Okay, so just getting it set up to lift it back up a little bit so I can get some jack stands underneath. Get that in a reasonable area, hopefully. Whoa. So I'm not exactly sure what else you would use this spreader bar for, as it's pretty tall, probably wouldn't really fit underneath the car very well. Add a couple shims. Okay. There we go, now it goes. Okay, so this area here is in line with that front body mount. And my idea was to catch it right there. So it looks like I need some blocks, but I think there's enough meat on there to make that work. I might try to take that little heat shield off real quick. Don't look like it's on there very good anyway. Just bend this. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna bend it for now. Get actually a little bit of room there. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Okay, so that's how we're holding it up. Right on the edge of that transmission tunnel. I guess this would be the A-pillar body mount. You can see it's pretty tore up. So the goal here is to fix that and put new body mounts in, and then see how bad it is when we get in there. It's pretty fucked up. I think I'm competent enough in that to go ahead and pull the jack out of the way though, so that's good. It's a good sign. The thing's nice and rigid still. I wonder if it's still got a gap in the back. No, no, she's sitting on it. Okay, cool. And then the homemade jack stand device worked out pretty damn well. Look at that. Right up in a crevice there. I don't know if these ones are... It feels like there's a little bit of room in there, but not bad. Alright. Now we got a pretty good look at what's going on here. It's definitely pretty bad. Definitely pretty bad. Hell, it even feels like it's up into the floorboard a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to make a template. I might have to use the passenger side to make a good one since this is so messed up. I also might try to push on the corner of the truck right here just to see if that'll help bring that together a little bit, because it's definitely sagging. Look at that. That's the shit I'm talking about. I think that helps. We got the first piece cut out. Let's see how it looks in here. It's gonna need some trimming for sure, but that's not bad for first go. Well, that's not bad at all. Go ahead and check it on that passenger side again real quick, but that looks pretty close. Make that whole piece. Okay. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. So that thing's pretty chewed up. That's just from cleaning it up there. I haven't even poked it with a screwdriver yet. Holy hell. Yeah, it's pretty bad, man. So we'll see if we can save it. I got some ideas to get around it and manipulate this thing a little bit. Hopefully we can patch it up without going too far. See how far back that rusty metal is. Okay. Now we get a better look in there. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, a little hot still. That's all that's left of it. That's crazy, man. Okay. Oh yeah. That's what I was looking for there. Okay. Well, it's not absolutely ruined. That's pretty bad though. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for part 1 on this body mount repair. There's going to be many parts to this. I'm going to focus on small pieces of the truck at a time. So we'll start with this body mount. I got everything opened up pretty good, cleaned up, decent. Next time I get out here I'll have something to actually work with. So I think I'm going to go ahead and section off the outer skin and take this rocker off. That way I can get to some of the panels inside of there. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the spreader bar on the jack, and the other homemade contraption seems to be working pretty good. I liked how that fit in there. It's pretty sweet. So, yep, like, comment, subscribe, stick around. We got much more to do. Even if it's just small pieces at a time, I figure I'll break it into smaller sections and might make it a little more manageable. I'm out.